What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and to another video. Today. Happy Friday. It's Friday when I'm shooting this. It'll be Wednesday when you're watching this. Yeah, so I've gotten in the habit of shooting multiple videos in one day and creating content for the following week. So, from me to you, happy Friday and happy hump day. So, today, I'm going to be shooting a spec ad for Alani Nutrition Energy Drink. I actually started this ad maybe a week and a half ago, but I ended up scratching the footage that I shot because I didn't have my little spray bottle. And so I ended up going with something else. But today is the day that I put this to work. So, quick introduction again. As you already know, we are going to be shooting on the Lantern and the Godox SL60 watt continuous light. We got our Lazy Susan, we got our Great Video Maker slider, and I haven't decided yet whether I'm going to be shooting on the Red or the Z7. More than likely, I am going to go with the Red. So, I'm going to set you down, let's get started. Alright, so for this first shot, I have the energy drink on a Lazy Susan propped up on a piece of plastic. It's actually a toothpick container, and it just happens to be the exact same size as the bottom of the can to be able to prop it up on. This makes it easier for me so that I don't have to mask it out, mask it around the can. I can just simply cut out the plastic part, and yeah. And I also have my spray bottle right here. I'm going to go ahead and hit record on the Red, shooting at 5K at 24 frames a second. I'm going to go to a couple rotations, 2 or 3 of each can. So here we go. Before we get into the next shot, I'm going to go ahead and snap a few photos for Instagram as well. I'm going to move this out the way because I have to change lenses in a second. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. Let's get some more of that going on. That could have been bad. My camera almost fell. Next shot, I should say, what I did was I have the cans on sufficient line, and I'm going to put this at 300 frames a second, and I'm going to knock these together so that the water droplets got to go splashing and flaring everywhere. So I'm going to spray these down, and I'm going to get this at 300 frames a second, and there we go. That's so much better. So much better. Gives it more space and more head space. Alright. And it actually looks pretty good from here. Bring my ISO down just a hair. It's about right there. I'm gonna bring this light down as well. Focus more on the front side of the product like so. And I'm going to spray these down again because all the water done dripped off of it. Let's make sure I get the logos, the main thing. And I'm going to hit record and get a couple takes. I'm going to go 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. All right, thank you for tuning in again, and this is your final video. Alright people, thank y'all for tuning in to yet another video. And as always, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And comment below the next product y'all want to see me do. Send me some of your stuff. Yeah, shoot me an email, send me some of your stuff. And I'll do an ad for it. Alright, and until next time, peace.